Welcome back to my channel, The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another learning session on the trades that I take with logic, and then we have a daily learning as well. Okay. So having said that, so what was the plan? Just before entering into the market, right? Since the market is stuck in a range for the past few days, so and the opening was a very key, right? So market was also opening in between the range. I was planning for reversal trades. The plan was to take the reversal trades. And what is a reversal trade that we can take today, right? So since the bank nifty opened somewhere here at this point and then started moving down from here, I was expecting, so this is a support zone that we have drawn before entering into the market, and then this is the resistance zone that we have drawn, right? These are the key levels. So based on which I was expecting the market to take support and then show some bullishness, based on which we can take the long trade. Okay, so then bank nifty makes this huge red candles. In spite of making these huge red candles, bank nifty takes a pause here, you can see, and then inviting sellers here. You can see here there's a good candle bank nifty makes, and then right at the support it traps all these sellers here, and then with this big green candle. So this green candle engulfs all the previous four candles, and shows a strong bullishness. Then also I was waiting for a pause candle. So you can see here there is an inside candle, in the 5 minutes time frame, and then after that, this candle, this huge bullish candle with a open low, goes strong above these two previous candles. That's where I have initiated my trade. I can see this. I have exited at this resistance point, right at this resistance point. Okay, so that was the first trade that I have taken in then, and also that there is a small scalp trade that I did. So bank nifty is stuck in a small range for so long time, and then after that you can see here bank nifty makes a higher highs, and based on which there's a strong candle right at the resistance, and then breaks out, right? So I have initiated a small scalp trade in which we have captured about 30 points, right? 30 points of premium in this trade, second trade. In the first trade, we have captured about 105 points with small quantities. So since we are playing the reversal trades, so I have decided to play with the small quantities only, right? And let me take you to the order book. So this is small PE sell trades that I have taken in dhan, since my stop loss is very small, like 20 points, with very small quantities. There were some 3 losing trades in Zerodha in the morning itself. After that, I have initiated this trade somewhere around 12:13 and waited till almost at the end, right? So I have exited this trade somewhere around 3 o'clock, right? So let me show that trade as well. So bank nifty, since it is bullish since from the morning, so I just initiated this sell trade based on the support, right? You can see here bank nifty takes a reversal somewhere here at this point, 12.9, somewhere here, this one, and then comes back and makes a good green candle which shows the bullishness, right? Based on this, I have initiated based on this hammer, I have initiated the trade. Okay, so I sold this initial quantity of 120 and then added 30 more quantity, and almost at the same price after some time, right? So then I have exited around 182, and you can see we have captured about some 50 points in this trade, finally covered all the previous losses, and then turning the day into green already, right? So that was the trade that I have taken in Zerodha. And then let me take to dhan. So dhan, we have taken only 2 trades. This was the first trade I was talking about, this one. So this trade, So we entered with a very small quantity. Since Bank Nifty is stuck in a range, we don't want to play with the huge quantities. Now then I have entered into 49,700 call at 378 and exited at 481. So more than 100 points, around 105 points of premium we have collected in this trade. And then the second trade, it was a quick scalp trade. We entered at 265 with a 90 quantity and then exited at 245, 43, right? Sorry, 295. Entered at 265, exited at 295, captured about some 30 points here. Okay, captured about 30 points in the second trade, which was a quick scalp trade around 3 o'clock, right? So let me take you to the this was the first trade on the premium chart. You can see here Bank Nifty shows a very good bullishness, and then and inside candle also in the 5 minutes chart, based on which we have initiated this trade and exited about at the resistance point somewhere here. Okay, so we entered at 378 and exited at 481, captured about 105 points of the premium. Now this is a second trade, scalp trade. So we have entered somewhere here at 265, exited somewhere here at 294. So captured about 30 points here also in this trade, second trade. Now what was the learning for the day, right? So the very important learning for the day is you can see here, since the Bank Nifty is stuck in a range for the past few days and opening in between the range, every day opening, like opening of the Bank Nifty, like it is in between the range. Whenever this happens, I wanted to play with the very less quantity, and most probably I will prefer taking the reversal trades, right? Reversal trade here, and you can see reversal trade here. We took the trade here also, and then trades like that, right? So that's the learning coming from, right? That's where the learning coming from. And the learning for the day is whenever the Bank Nifty is stuck in a range, it's always better to take the reversal trades with a very less quantity. That's all guys for today, and then we'll meet with another learning video in the next trading session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.